The Acer Aspire 5 combines powerful hardware, ample storage, and a stylish design to elevate your computing experience. Whether you're a professional, student, or casual user, this laptop delivers on performance and style. Processor 13th generation Intel Core i3-1305U. Memory 8GB of onboard LPDDR5. Storage 512GB NVMe solid-state drive. Graphics Intel UHD graphics. Display 15.6 FHD 1920x1080, LED backlit TFT LCD, 16:9 aspect ratio, comfy view. Camera 1820x720 resolution, 720p HD video at 30 frames per second with temporal noise reduction. I/O ports USB 3.2 port, headset speaker jack, USB port with power off charging, HDMI port. Speed meets efficiency. The 8GB DDR5 RAM ensures a smooth and efficient computing experience. Whether you're working on multiple tasks or running demanding applications, this laptop can handle it with ease. Stylish steel gray design. Make a statement with the sleek steel gray color. The Acer Aspire 5 not only performs exceptionally but also looks good doing it. Keyboard 99-100-103, key Acer keyboard layout with international language support including indicators of caps lock and F4 microphone mute. Bluetooth support Bluetooth 5.1 or above. Battery 50Wh 3-cell Li-ion battery. Power adapter 3-pin 65W AC adapter. Weight 1.78 kg, 3.92 pounds, with 4-cell battery pack.